balebe ndiho yima umundu umukugu ndiho yima umukugu unyala wandekera njerishina iye hukwanamo umuhana nadala bashefe abasali befe barambira mu Ibuarabu oba ibulafu wa Uganda wamukwana mwamala mwamenya mu relationship yo mwachi maintaininga long distance relationship yo mwachi maintaininga ngaberuka naluwe kumala ichimya hachibiri oba chitaro paka wakobolanga mushiri mu love wantinti ngera love ishitu tubabutu tubusanga kama meraho busera naho manya oba ishindu shiwashi na washibi washi experiencing hotawe dating someone especially these friends of ours baramba mu Arabia countries something perturbing shiyanga funabi how mutandi habula iwene iwikinyo oh my godness wikinyo wangala vili kututuba bututubibuseri nga do you know that you can even exchange nudes mu wikinyo wayo love it blows all the reasoning kama kesiko sana kika hatsi monzira isulia bari love is blind iyo niye mboka isu experiencing la love is blind mu first week second week bari aruri bitya bya approachinga kumwezi imanye si love yetandia kukorana mosa ushabulira yaweleho abanda abasindi katsaka like yes we experiencing katsaka mu first the first 2 weeks ngaluka na ulihudia video wakupashifana ntulio wamusindihira oba ulihutia huisinga oh baby I am going to take a shower tulio wamueleza you can see baby I'm moving out of the house bona wiho tulio wamusindihira luka no lihuingira mubuliri hukana mu kusoha ningiye mubuliri lundi huhuru kwabira busa waambiriye simu luka na video call oba audio call ibyo byose zana wabibira mu first week second week ishindu shiboiling la sharoba era singeba nabukuba abaholele huku paka matere aroro ibindu bitya byola mu mwezi bu message bwesi mwabanga muisindihira imokolo zitsesi mahola tsatandi akushendera but remember shiwashibirata wakubolera ari huza hukobola rufanyimo rw'imya hachitaro nebona mu mya hachitaro George mwama ya busa weeks zibili the relationship yatandihire huku paluku ari urino wingira mu mwezi kwe kabiri ngo birisa wo weekend fulukana wa musiri how high ubona mutandi hambo hey you long time you've been so quiet no you work work the first 2 weeks aboro mahoro wakata just not even a good night message my phone network these days it disturbs arnahumanya ibatsa kabusa infatuation like falling for someone on the first sight and waba driven by those first feelings namweshi bashini namuba overwhelmed because this person is abroad, is working in Arab countries, and you think they have some resources you can share. I don't know. Imanyatawe ne say ukanihayo I am a victim of the circumstance. Na kaho yalo say manyakala there are people who move up to the second week, the third week. So how we got to ilahonyen nabo nilanga someone is telling you alihuza mara chimya hachitarula akobole. You are just starting to date. I don't know. Kweli ndi hutambala kimya hachitaruwenda mu behaving in this crazy way. So ndi huyimo mundu uwe hupangisa ande kerenjerishina isunyaraba mulavu antinti when you're dating someone very far, that long distance relationship. Era wabango rama mulavu wantintiyo paka kimya hachitaru chaho. Uwa ndihukana ayo washibiramo era washimantaininga mpaka shatabula. But in the Shiva Shirena, guys in the Arab countries, yes, Pakwanineho, Obani Nawes Bakana, let's share the experience. Umbole, Shina Shire Mesebi, do you know who Tandiha, Biakamanga, Devitandi, Ahari Huko, Sausa Sigino Satandia Huko, who messages with Sakaturio to you, chorus in the Humorimo, Navy Sirabosa, in the Humorimo. You know, my boss, Afchi just to check on how you're doing. No, we will someone whose child is risking her life. Just check that experience. Uribala viola hudu bishuka musavere urukara nisigino tsakorera. So it resumes after something like 4 months. Lundi I'm saying, hey, long time. Lundi shaburu harundi. Muganda na chikolera. Lundi shaburu harundi. You can't do without these people. I'm saying, hi, how are you? Hey, have you had lunch? Are you in bed? Are you at work? How is work? Kwegamba wafana wasoti orisilivu ready kwakala kumubiri. You are restless. You want to hear from these people. Hey, you have a good voice. I can't sleep without listening to this voice. Hey, just send me a voice note. Stop. I don't want you to text. This love wanted situation, it's becoming abnormal. That's the experience. I know. Let's share. Unabanga hutia mu comment seasi ho na share the experience yo undekere. Maybe unyarawa no more. You don't have money to hire me. Lukana one day kerabusa, you know I am a vulnerable friend and a brother of yours. So mundekere because I want to start a serious relationship. Yo mwana oli ibulafu yo ibwarabu yo. Itenga wakolere muhaja akole ha business na sendi nodi huramba. You get that. Manyetsina hutiro kukala abantu bano muhasinga huramba ta. We need to support the family. So ngana approving mwana isa no watebulafu wa risking no. Let me go out. Sembenga I toil for myself. Manyabuso, this is a hard-working nigga. Yo is good to put in the house. But do not forget to comment. Ingana mundekere. Who maintaining a relationship yo muri so kwa ne bwarabu ba chef face balanga we manakadama. I don't know what it means, but I'll get someone to teach me that.